Austerity has failed. Since the financial crisis, we've seen the longest pause in real-term spending growth on record. This has damaged growth, debt has risen rather than fallen, and it has pushed vital public services to the brink. Crime is up, rough sleeping has doubled, poverty is on the rise, and health inequalities are expanding. Austerity has got to end, but what should replace it? Politicians across the political spectrum say they want to end austerity, but this can't just mean preventing further cuts or reversing existing ones. Instead, IPPR is proposing to shift to a Scandinavian-style investment state that can deliver real improvements in people's lives. We therefore call on the UK government to commit to matching European levels of social spending in order to properly fund our public services. This shift to an investment state would allow us to tackle 4 killer social deficits. On care, we'd end the crisis by providing universal free childcare and social care. On skills, we've got to prepare for the future and properly fund both further education and our adult skills system. On health, we can improve outcomes by investing in our NHS and properly funding mental health support. And on social security, let's stop rising rates of poverty by reversing cuts to universal credit and reforming the system so it works for real people. This recognises that spending on care, skills and health are investments. They make our country not just more socially just, but also more prosperous. However, there is no such thing as a free lunch. We will need to pay more in tax. This means those with more money paying their fair share through higher wealth taxes and corporation taxes, but ultimately it will also require those on middle incomes to pay a bit more as well. But in return for putting more in, we will all get more out. Higher taxes will allow us to provide better access to better quality public services. Crucially, it will allow us to spread the principle that underpins the NHS, taxpayer funded and free at the point of need, to other areas like care and skills as well. For too long, we've been told that austerity is inevitable. Our message is clear. There is an alternative.